So you just received your Nakto Mini Cruiser Model e-bike. The first thing you're going to want to do is unbox it and unwrap all the packing materials, and it should look like this. You have your frame, user's manual, headlight bracket, axle cap covers, toolkit including crescent and hex wrenches, wheel with disc brake, front fork assembly, seat, pedals, and charging kit. So let's get started. First you will need to remove the neck bolt and washer from the front fork assembly. Also remove the 3 metal bushings. Now remove the tight rubber washer and tight metal neck bushing. And finally, remove the loose plastic washer from the fork neck. Insert the front fork into the frame. First, replace the loose plastic washer with the grooved side down. Now replace the tight metal bushing and tuck the tight rubber washer into it. Now replace the 3 metal bushings you removed earlier. Now place the handlebars onto the neck of the frame. You will notice that the fork is recessed below the top of the handlebar housing. Replace and screw down the neck bolt, but don't crank it down tight just yet. Now let's put the front wheel on. Place the forks onto the axle, making sure to insert the disc brake into the caliper. Align the axle locks into the forks. And tighten the axle bolts with the crescent wrench. Push the axle bolt caps over the axle bolts. Tighten the caliper with the hex tool. Tighten here, and here, and here, and here. Now feed the brake line through the zip tie on the front fork. Feed the brake line through the caliper brake line housing. Then feed the end of the brake line through the nut and bolt of the caliper clutch. Then adjust the brake line tension at the bottom of the caliper until the fully engaged brake allows for a 1 to 2 finger width space between the brake clutch and the handle grip. Now align the handlebars and tighten all 3 neck bolts. Now let's put the headlight on. Attach the headlight bracket to the bottom of the headlight and attach the other end of the bracket to the front fork. Now insert the seat post into the frame and tighten with the quick release latch. And under the seat here is the quick release, giving you easy access to the battery. Now let's attach the pedals. You'll notice there's an L and an R for left and right. Simply screw the pedals into the pedal arms and tighten with the crescent wrench. Next, let's take a look at the battery. Engage the quick release under the seat. Insert the key, and while pushing, turn all the way to the left. Now the battery is unlocked, and you can remove it. Align the slot to reinsert the battery and push down until it sits flush against the bottom of the housing. Now, turn the key to the right to power up the battery, and press the power button on the LED. Use the mode button to incrementally increase the degree of power assist. In the 4th mode setting, the LEDs turn off, engaging the thumb throttle. Here's your rear brake, horn, light, gear shift, thumb throttle, front brake. Now you're all set to go, but let's talk about charging your battery. Plug the charger into the battery body here, and you'll see the red light go on the charger. A full charge will take between 4 to 6 hours. When you see the green light, you are fully charged, although you will need to leave it charging for 1 additional hour before use. However, it is okay to leave it charging overnight. If you have any additional questions, use the scan code to access our website. Okay, you guys, have fun!